Let It Rain by Mary Ann Coca Leffler. Let it rain, it's spring. Singing birds, budding trees, frogs and tulips, honeybees. Digging, tilling, seeds to sow, planting carrots in a row. But then heavy downpours, rivers flood, our garden, flower garden, turns to mud. Let it rain, rainbows, green grass, soccer fun, picnic, swinging in the sun. Lambs and bunnies, puppy licks, newborn kittens, and little chicks. Building, painting way up high, our little house in the sky. But then black flies, spiders, little ants crawl inside our farmer pants. Let it rain, riding, gliding, cupcake treat, twirling, dancing, bebop beat. But soon, steamy classes, blazing heat, wearing sandals on our feet. Hooray, hooray, last day of school, heading to the swimming pool. Summer is coming, let it shine.